Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you Popsicle's craft, and this will be divided like I am going to make 3 different home decor or crafts out of popsicles, and wire popsicles are common stationery stuff, paints, fevicol, and that's it. These are the only things that we require. Let's begin. And I'm going to make a storage type to hang it on the wall, against the wall, so that I can place a diya or any small plant that we get it in the gift shop. So here, as you can see, I have pasted the popsicles one upon the other in the as a storage of anything. As you can see, I have painted it so with any color. So also while painting, I have mixed little fevicol in the paints so that you do not attract ants in future, because those are popsicles, so it might tend to get damaged. So if we apply fevicol with the if we mix fevicol with the paints and then apply it, the product will the craft will not be damaged. And that's it. Once the paint with fevicol is applied to the item, the item is completely ready. Let it dry, and then you can hang it on the wall against the hook, and you can place anything over here. Like I did, I have placed a diya, and that's it. Your home. I am going to make a triangle popsicle craft. Triangle popsicle craft home decor is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.